References.
Where's the garbage truck? The recap. The phrases are the same.
As the title says, where's the garbage truck? The recap is the recap of where's the garbage truck? All three members of Team Angry Birds say,
Begin now.
just like Mario from Mario Teaches Typing.
Okie dokie. Begin typing now.
Today's extra references, changes that weren't said in the opening. The cake stand replaced that green pot used in the original video. Here's why. A plant used it as a vase, and now I have a small version of it. 4 oranges were used in the recap. Here's why. 10 oranges used in the original video were eaten, and 4 new appeared. Last one. The heart lamp replaced my blue Pixar lamp. Here's why. The lamp is now charging, and it can't work without being plugged. That's all, folks. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.